और बात करते हैं तमिलनाडु चुनाव की। तमिलनाडु चुनाव में डीएमके के लिए मन्नारगुडी बहुत अहम माना जा रहा है। बता दें कि जयललिता की करीबी कहे जाने वाली वीके शशिकला और उनका परिवार यहीं का रहने वाला है। ये जगह मन्नारगुडी माफिया के नाम से भी जानी जाती है। इसकी वजह शशिकला के संबंधी हैं, जिन्होंने जयललिता के सीएम रहने के दौरान उनकी और शशिकला की नजदीकियों का फायदा उठाया और महत्वपूर्ण प्रशासनिक पदों पर कब्जा जमा लिया। तमिलनाडु विधानसभा चुनाव में अब देखना ये रहेगा कि क्या डीएमके मन्नारगुडी माफिया से चुनावी लड़ाई जीतने में कामयाब होती है। ये बहुत ही देखना दिलचस्प होगा और इस पर और ज्यादा जानकारी देने के लिए हमारे सहयोगी मुगलन इस वक्त हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़ रहे हैं। मुगलन, it's a crucial constituency for DMK. How will Sasikala's exit impact voter sentiment?
We are in Mannargudi, and when it comes to Tamil Nadu politics, it's synonymous with the infamous Mannargudi mafia term, because the extended family of Shashikala completely comes from this constituency. And apart from Shashikala, we have only Shashikala staying in Chennai and TTV Dinakaran, and all her extended family members are here in Mannargudi constituency. And yes, this election seems quite important, and this Shashikala factor will weigh in this assembly election also, because we have seen the kind of scenes that unfolded when Shashikala returned back to Karnataka, and then we saw Shashikala releasing a statement stating that she will be stepping away from politics for now. So yes, it has a considerable kind of impact here in among the voters of constituency. Yes, people here, the voters here in this constituency are very much aware about the things that are happening here in the state, and they are very much aware of the Shashikala factor also. Yes, they feel that Shashikala has now strategically stepped aside for the assembly elections to get over, and we today, since morning, we got to speak with many agriculture workers in several of these fields here in Mannargudi constituency, and one common point what we able to understand or what we able to grab from these workers are that Shashikala will definitely come back after the elections are over, and we could hear from them saying that Shashikala, once if ADMK loses the election, then Shashikala will once again come back and capture the ADMK. And this is the common sentiment what we could hear from the people of Mannargudi. And yes, they are pretty much clear. Even though they say that Shashikala might come back to power, none of them are very much ready to consider Shashikala as a voting factor,
Right.
and in support of Shashikala. So we have to wait to watch how voters of the Mannargudi constituency will decide, or how they will vote in the upcoming assembly elections. But they are pretty much clear that they want the incumbent government or any government which comes to the power in 2021 to keep up the promise that they are making during these elections, because we heard several complaints from these agriculture workers stating that the governments
Right.
are making tall promises to them, but on ground, the ground reality is completely contrary, and none of the benefits that have been promised by these political parties have not reached them so far.
मुगलन, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। और एक बड़ी खबर इस वक्त